Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have a package again. Well, this is the third box, the third package that we have. But also, these are all the cards we have that we unboxed for all the packages. And at the bottom of the box, there's a thank you letter. Nice. So yeah, and also what's in it? Bubble wrap. There's bubble wrap too. So yeah, let's put that up. And let's get the scissors. Okay, kids, don't actually use scissors. Don't cut yourself. Okay, this is a warning. Open up from the bottom. Okay. You know what? I'll just cut from the top. I guess this is fine. We can still get the cars. Okay. The first car we have is a Hot Wheels police car. Very nice. And it's made in 2009. That's a cool little police car. Wee woo, wee woo. I'm a police. Put your hands up. And then we have this car. It's not a Hot Wheel, but it's some sort of toy brand. It's it's a hot rod. It's a yellow hot rod that I don't know the brand from, but I do know it looks like a plastic car. It's made from China. And here we have a Hot Wheels 1993 McDonald's Hot Wheels car right here. I bet this thing's from McDonald's. It's the original version. We got this. And then we have a truck, a Hot Wheels truck. I have one of these trucks, so I can have, now I have two trucks. I have two of these. Except this one. Okay, let's go. Let's put that one. And then we have a Matchbox 1956, but it's actually made in 2012. A Matchbox police car, an old one. Look at it. Now it's got yourself in the car. Let's get the. Look at this. We got now we have a tiny race car. Look at this thing. It's in my palm. This thing is longer. This thing is actually big as my pinky. It's so tiny. Look at the tiny wheels. Oh God. Look at it, it's so tiny. It's so adorable. Yes, you can even fit on the sidewalk. And then we have another race car. Well, at the bottom it just says made in China. Doesn't say anything else. But still, we got a race car. But this car is a Cheerios car. It says Cheerios. Cheerios. Yeah. And then what we have here is a Beetle. Not like the actual car, like a Beetle. This is actually a Volkswagen Beetle. Look at it, it's a tiny version. And it's made in indigo. Seats, and the seats are white. And it's also a wind-up car. Oh no! I was gonna hit the tape. Okay, I'll just let you. Oh God, I'm scared. I'm scared. That's a cool little car. And then the next car we have is this car. It's another race car. Again, there are a lot of race cars in this box. You're the winner. Okay, now we have a a Hot Wheel. This car is a Hot Wheel made in 1995, and it's a convertible. It's a convertible, but I don't know what car this is. It looks like a Corvette or something. Or I have no idea. And then we have this car that is it's made by Toyota, and this company work with each other, and I don't know the name of this car. This car is outside my house actually. It is a Maisto. It's a Maisto. And still, look at it. It's a box. It's a box car. Yeah, it's a box. And then we have another one of these tiny little guys. I love these. I just want 100 of these things. Look at the tiny wheels. Look at that. It's so tiny. What I gotta do is like put them next to his little guy. Put them next to each other. It's two of them. And then we have another race car. And it's has a lot of writing on it everywhere, and it looks like a hockey car or something. Just like assuming, a hockey sport car. Wait, what's the? You know what's better? So just like dump them out. So I don't. That's all of them. And we have an American plastic toy car. It's a purple car. America. And then we have a Hot Wheel. We have a Hot Wheel. It has a gold interior, a nice crystal blue windows and glass. And also it's a Hot Wheel 2002. Little cool Hot Wheel. Summer. Here we have another plastic car here that it has some flames on it. Guys, I have 32, and the wheels are broken. You can't drive this thing. Trying to drive. Oh God, my car's not working well. It broke down. And then what we have is this, an F1, a Ford, or like an F-150 Hot Wheel. This car. It is a Hot Wheel. It's made 2011. And also the wheels don't go well. And this car is actually very light. This is not actually real metal. This is plastic. It's plastic. This car is more heavier. It makes no sense. It's plastic. Maybe like Hot Wheels were using a different material back then. And then we have, but here we have another sport car. Right here, just gotta check what company it is. Okay, I don't know what company it is. But it's made in 1999. Tires say Goodyear on it. Just like Goodyear. We got like so many sport cars in here. We just got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just 7 of them. And then we got this. I think this is like some sort of like, we got this old plastic car again. It's pretty beat up and everything. Still move actually, pretty good. And then we got our next car. It's a piece of plastic. Just kidding, this is not a car at all. Just like put in the water for Godzilla. Just gonna put it in his mouth or something. I don't even care anymore. You can just hold that right there. Okay, and then now we have a Camaro. A black Hot Wheel Camaro. And it's not, I don't know what year it's made in. It doesn't say it anywhere. So yeah. Okay, these are all the cars. From the first package to the second package to the third package. Okay? And we also have the box right here. I'm just gonna keep it, and if I like have to like keep some other cars that I can't put anywhere, so yeah. But if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. Alright? But I got something special for you guys that I gotta tell you. I have a cat. My cat is named Bella, and she's a girl. She's 2 years old, and yeah. So we're gonna make videos about my new cat I got like a few, weeks ago. We're gonna make some videos about her, okay? Just stay tuned, and bye.